Namaste friends, welcome in the Techno Trade Chat. Today is the 5th January 2025. You can follow me on the Twitter technotrade_Chai. You can see the 15-minute chart of the Nifty 50. Here is the resistance 24,100, 120 and the support is 23,600. If break any side, we can make a position. Let's see in the day time frame. In the day time frame, it's on narrow range and it's break above the 24,200 or below 23,900. Let's say in the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty is also in the downtrend because it's already break out the 51,000. Let's see in the 15-minute time frame. In the 15-minute time frame, it's also tried to break out the 51,200. If the sustain above the 51,200, we can see in the upward momentum 53,000, or if the break the 50,800, then we will see the 48,500. Let's see the Reliance also facing the resistance. In the HDFC, in the try to take a support to 1740 and above the 800 it can be bullish. In the ICICI Bank, it's taking the support of the 1260. If breaks, then again come in the long-term channel. Let's discuss the gold. Gold is also in the down trend or maybe a stable. I am not bullish on the gold because my accumulation zone is 2500 in the daily as per the daily time frame. Same in the silver. Let's see the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trying to break out 1 lakh. In the oil is also in the upper time frame. We can also discuss the this is the bottom $68. Now it's a $73. If break, then again uptrend will see. In the Nasdaq is also in the uptrend zone. It will reach the level of the Nifty. Let's see.